Hey guys, I just had a technical issue, so welcome back everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon 230. As usual, we will be trying to check on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, guys, so nothing much to worry. Now it's back, right? Sometimes it's getting some technical errors, right, guys? So whenever I ended my live stream early without saying a bye to you all, that means that there is something technical error. You can always expect it back, right, guys? Okay, so just again, what I was explaining to you all, guys. Guys, welcome everyone. Welcome again. I have to invite you all two times now because like I was having some technical error over here whereby, okay guys, as soon as it started, it ended it up. Now it's better, guys. It's better. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, let's check the Bitcoin together, guys. All right. Okay. So I have what I am saying to you all is last time. Let me repeat it again. All right, guys. So this is the trend that we have from the top, right? Hey, hello. We here, all right. Digital, all right. Okay, so firstly, I'll try to explain for the long term what I'm thinking, right? Nothing financial advice, but for the education purpose, right? Then later on, we'll try to jump into the scalping sessions as well. All right, guys. Firstly, let's understand what's happening with the Bitcoin recently. All right, let's forget about the bigger falls from the top. All right, this is on one daily time frame. All right, so I was showing you all last time. Still over here, we cannot determine whether it is a bearish or bullish, right? But once it gets, because it was having a retest in this level, right, crashing from the top, right, it was having a retest in this level. If it was breaking down from the trend, what I explained to you all, if you have seen my video that I've uploaded to you all, in this zone, nothing much to worry for the bulls and bears both, right? But if we happens to get below this trend, then the bulls will be like I think the market will be the bearish. All right, so all the bulls should get out of from here. All right, so this is the level whereby the Bitcoin have shown us the downside move. There was a news as well. My friend said, all right, there was a news that there will be a bomb attack or something else, right, in the different regions, right? But I don't have any information about that. But meanwhile, what I was saying is, guys, okay, this was the resistance that we have. Last time we broke it out. All right, small retest was done. All right, in fact, but this can be the confirmation for the retest once it passes up above this blue, the purple line, that's $74,938. We can still expect something on the upper side. Okay, still there is a we can expect, but as long as it's on the downside, we cannot say anything because like if it happens to remain below this one 74,900 75,000, let's say $75,000, right? So if it happens to remain below this one, the one level can be $72,260, which can be seen on coming days. All right, but if it happens to never stay below, right, guys, which means that breaking out and giving a small confirmations on the upper side on a smaller time frame, it might like to push the price towards $77,469 as well. It can play inside this box. This doesn't mean that it is like a bearish. It was a bearish, but from below this average, it was a bearish, right? But it doesn't mean that it is going for the bullish. It can still play inside these two lines. That is $77,495 to $72,300, right? In this range, still the price can play inside, right, guys? Okay, that doesn't gives any like bulls or bears, something like that signals. All right. So meanwhile, for the small traders, we can still trade inside this box, right? But what I was saying is for the long holders, right? So such things of pattern was like shown on 2023. That was on October month. All right. So I was showing you all that patterns over here, whereby the Bitcoin had to break out. Bitcoin broke out on upper side, and while coming down, it was exactly, we are in this level right now. This is the move that we are having right now, and this is a downside move. On the 2023, it have given an upper side after that one. Okay, so I was showing you all the days, all right, when it had happened, right? Wednesday, it fall down all the way towards downside. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it was on sideways move, and Sunday moved on upper, very big move on upper side. All right, so we cannot predict that the market can be like 2023, right, guys? Okay, that was 2023, 12 to 16th October, right? So we cannot predict that thing, all right, because that was a big bull cycles on the preside, right? But in fact, similar pattern can be identified in this level right now with the Bitcoin in this level, all right? Big crash from the top, and we fall into this zone, all right, whereby Bitcoin had broken out on the upper side, and it is now coming down for the retest, this big crash. All right. So on the 2023, what happened was just above this support, it just gave a small wink once more, played around sideways over here and just move on upper side with a big bull run on upper side. All right. We cannot make sure that this can happen, but just for information, right, guys, this is what had happened. So right now we are downside. Okay. So broke out on the downside. Let's get back to the smaller time frame, guys. All right. So let's get back to that, because like people likes only the scalping sessions. They never like a big targets. No. So understand the market. This is what's it's happening right now. All right. So last time what happened, guys, in this trend, this was the retest that Bitcoin was having after it broke down towards the downside. Okay. Retest zone. Okay. So from where uh retest zone it was having on a trend in these levels. Okay, so it broke down, making a bearish and a downside. All right, so let's see what happens. Okay, in this level, yesterday what happened, guys? All right, Bitcoin have broken down towards the downside. Okay, from this level, this is also a midterm holding trades. All right, firstly, then only we'll try to jump into the smaller time frame. Okay, guys. So Bitcoin have broken out on upper side as well. So, but on the retest phase, it just failed the retest. Okay, so it had to come out from here on upper side, right? But it just gave up from this level and crashed all the way towards the downside. All right. So it never did the third retest on upper side. Okay, one gap is left and the stock curve moves over here. There's not a big amount of time before 60 to 65. It's not the BI, not the bull market time before 60 to 65. Let's see, yeah, brother. Ish, all right. So maybe like a big move on upper side is what I mean. All right. Don't get to stick. Just I'm showing you something structure have happened on that time as well on 2023. All right, so don't get stick with that one as well. All right, maybe a big crash, we never know, right, guys? We should be ever ready for that one. All right, but for the long holders, that can be one information for them. All right, the similar structure was formed and it gave a very big pump on upper side. All right, the next day. All right, so this is what I mean. Um, okay, guys, nothing much to worry. If you are confused, just I was showing on this level. All right, guys, 2023. Okay, from this level, right? From this level, boom, right? This is what I was showing, right, guys? Okay, don't get confused, all right? So if you have been trading on that zone, you would have experienced that one, all right, guys, all right? Okay, so let's get back, guys. So from here, the market have broken down on a downside, but still, I feel the third retest is left whereby market needs to pick it out. All right, if it is a real breakout that was missing, I was expecting that to done, but Bitcoin never did that one. All right, so it broke down from this level. All right, it was breaking out on upper side as well. All right, before it broke down on a downside. All right, it was breaking out on upper side, having a retest. All right, one retest done. Okay, I was expecting again one more and crashing down, waiting for the shot to be done on a downside, right? But I just missed that one. But yesterday I was taking with you all the scalping sessions on the downside only. All right, guys. Okay. So we have been taking a scalping sessions from this level to the crash on the downside. All right. So small target was scalping was taken on the downside, and we just left it that way. All right, guys. So let's get back to the 15 minutes time frame, maybe, guys. Okay, so try to understand what's happening over there. All right. So let me clear all those things for you all. All right, so that you get no confusions, right, guys? Okay. Maybe going to 79K. Hi, Gidon, Calvin. Hi. Hello, everyone. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, guys. So that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right, guys? Okay. So in this level, so this is whereby the Bitcoin needs to go up again. So again, if it is crashing from this upper side, all right, if it happens to get below this one, all right, then I'm going to again short it from this level, all right, once it gets back to the zone, all right, and come down towards the, my target will be towards down zone, all right. But in fact, if it happens to go up there, because like yesterday also we have been expecting one retest on the upper side, right, that was never done. So many structural gap have been living on the upper side, but the Bitcoin, it have been pushing down the price aggressively on the downside, all right. So what I was saying is, like, if it happens to go up and retest again, the retest fails from here and drops down below, that can push me towards the downside again once more. Okay, but in fact, rather than getting a downside from here, if it happens to get rejection, then it is going to form your inverted head and shoulder patterns. And if it happens to reject it from here and passes above this level, that's going to be a bull run for bull uh, move for you all for a week or for a month, maybe, I don't know. All right, guys. So that can be one level that can be expected. Or all right, guys. So for midterm, what I will be targeting is from certain levels, I will be targeting this level to be filled. All right. In fact, getting a proper price actions, breakout, retest, everything done. After that only, I'll be trying to do that one. All right, guys. Okay. So far so cool, guys. All right. So let's try to get under 15 minutes time frame. All right. Try to analyze over here a small trend in this level. All right. So yeah. So for now, Though, though the market have been breaking out from the resistance on upper side, it is not able to push up from the trend it has on upper side right now. This is what I have been seeing. Okay, guys. So on this level also, it broke down directly. Again, there is one retest to be done. All right. Again, if the market happens to moves up from here as well on upper side, I can still expect the price to fall down from here. All right, and correct like this on a downside. If it happens to get below, all right, get below, all right, then I can still expect the price to fall a little bit on a downside. All right, guys. So after that only, I will be activating my longs on a upper side. So this is the first move, I guess. All right, first move, first move for the midterm holders, right? So day traders maybe, right, on a whenever the market happens to get out of the sideways, right? So maybe small target can be taken on upper side and coming down if the structure is formed accordingly. All right, if it's not forming, if it keeps pushing on upper side, breaks out on upper side again to retest passes, right, then it will be on an upper side as well. So we can expect, we should be always ready, right? We should never be stick towards the one side, right, guys? So let's get back to the 5 minutes time frame for the scalpers, right, guys? So in this level, what we can see, big crash in this morning, right, guys? Okay, so in this level, market have tried to break down from this level. All right, so this is, I will be marking this one. Okay, so this is the level whereby the market have broke down. If it happens to crash down below this one, all right, below, if it happens to passes below this one with a small stop losses in this zone, all right, I'm going to activate one short position towards the downside once more. All right, but below this levels only. All right, one short positions once more on the downside. Okay, with the stop losses above these levels, right? So this will be my positions for now. All right, for the scalpers, right? What we have seen, we have seen that price have broken out on upper side. So once more, maybe it will love to try it. All right. So if it happens to break it down on a downside, I might like to short it towards the downside. Okay, my downside target will be, okay, so let me check the target for the downside. All right, guys. So $74,289, I will be targeting it firstly. Okay, and after that, if it happens to move down, all right, then next maximum target can be $74,000 on the downside. All right, guys. So this might be my target. All right, for the scalpers, but maximum we will try to take it within these levels for now. All right. Okay. Let's get back to the 5 minutes time frame. All right. This is for the scalpers, guys. Okay. So price have broken down small breakout was given on the downside. All right, guys. Okay. And it went for the retest. So if it retest confirms, we might like to expect small drop on a downside. All right, guys. Okay. Once more, maybe. Okay. That can be one move on a downside. So let's wait and see. Okay, guys. So usually Saturday I don't like to trade it because of the sideways, but today it looks okay for now. All right, let's see whether later on it happens to go sideways or like still stays on a proper formations, right, guys? Okay. So that's this can be one move on a downside. All right, guys. So nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys, so that you guys are not getting bashed off. Right, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Right. Okay. So one risky trade can be taken in this levels, whereby we will be taking one small position from this level once it gets below this levels. All right, taking a small price actions in this level. All right, whereby market have broken down on downside. All right, we are so we'll be taking in this level right now. Okay, guys, let's wait and see. Okay, first target will be this one, and second target towards the downside. Let's get back to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so you can see the small moves and okay, all right. So maximum target I will be targeting around $74,000 on that downside. All right. Let's wait and see. The price moves are so slow right now. Okay. Price moves seem so slow. All right. Once it gets below this level, then only we can activate our price. Upper side, we cannot do anything. Let it play on upper side, right? Wherever it wants to go. All right. So once it comes towards this zone, then only we can activate on the short positions. Okay. Because we are just checking on the small price action in this level on a 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Breakout towards the downside and the retest. Okay. So if it happens to respect that one, all right. If it happens to respect that one, we might like to get a small moves on a downside. All right. We'll activate once it gets below this level. All right. Hi, Aidin. Hello. How are you? How are you doing? Aidin. All right. Hope you are doing good. Okay. So don't rush early. All right, guys. Those who are rushing it, you need to enter at the right position. Then only if it get bashed, well and good. If it gets you profit, well and good, right, guys? So this is how you can trade it. Okay. So if, in this level, if you are trying to observe it, right, guys? Okay. So market have tried to break out from this level on upper side. Okay. Market have given a small breakout, so it will try to retest for 1 to 2 times or 3 times in this level. All right, guys. Okay, you might like to test this level. All right, and later on if it happens to come down, then we might like to take it. All right. Okay, so we are observing this breakout towards the downside as well. All right. Once it comes through the zone, then only we will activate the short position. Okay, otherwise we will let it flow. All right, on the this levels you can't see over here anything. All right, in fact one FPG over there, all right, on upper side which needs to be filled. All right. Okay, one level over there. In this level also the market have left the structure incomplete. All right, once more it might like to try this level on upper side. Once it gets back to this level, okay, if it happens to market happens to try it this level, then retest to be done. All right, once it gets below this one, we are going to open a short position and come to the downside. All right, so this can be one plan. All right, this can be one plan. Okay, meanwhile for now, so if it happens to come down, break down, well and good, we'll try to execute one trade on a downside. If it doesn't comes, all right, if it's not ready, excuse me, is not, if it is not, excuse me, if it is not coming, then we might like to change our thoughts, all right, later on, according to the structure it forms in this level. All right, guys. Okay, so let's see, guys. Let's wait and see what happens. I'm good, sir. How are you? I'm good too, but little bit had a good sleep, and my body is having a pain now, guys. Okay, so it's good, all good for now. So far, so good. Okay. If it happens to come down, I will open one short position on downside. All right. So I shall wait for that one. Okay. Upper side, let it move on how much it can on upper side. So so market is moving in these levels right now. Market try to create one high in this level, all right, and market try to create one low in this level, whereby on a downside 74,000 $74,267. All right, so market is in middle right now. Okay, it is in middle. Okay. Little bit risky, but you can trace it once it goes from here below as well. All right, once it comes below this as well. Okay, little bit risky, but once it gets, because why, you have already broken down on downside. All right, and you have been retesting this level. All right, if it happens to comes below this level, you can start from there as well. A little bit risky, but holding over here will be more confident for you all right, on a downside. Good to hear, bro. I then, all right, good sleep, can't complain. Yeah, body ache a little bit, right. But Saturday and Sunday, most of the time, I just observe the market, all right, rather than trading, all right. But it's good to understand the market, even in the Saturday and Sunday, you get a good directions after Sunday, especially, okay, on the upper side or the downside, all right. So right now, upper side, 5 minutes time frame, it tried to break out on upper side, okay. It have been breaking out from this level only, all right. 5 minutes time frame, it have broken out on upper side, okay. So again, retesting it, okay, retesting the 5 minutes time frame right now. Buyers are getting a little bit activated from here, all right. From here, it was low, all small candles, right, this morning. Let's see, guys. For longs, I don't have any positions right now, okay, because of this candle formations over here. All right, I'm not looking forward for the longs right now. So once it comes down and if it happens to give me the retest, then I might like to look for the longs as well. But right now I can't look for the longs right now. Okay, let's wait and see. No complaint. Okay, guys. Anyone who caught the shots from the top, boom, this morning, got it at 0.1.45 percentage on the downside. Anyone who caught it, this one from here. I just wanted to ask you if you have caught the short moves from the top Bitcoin crash from 75,290 to $74,267. If you have been observing over here, market have tried to do small retest in this level as well on a bull side. Okay, broke out on upper side, came down for the retest and passed the retest on upper side. So this is the move of that one. So you are getting a move of that one on upper side, 0.26 percentage on upper side. So trend is up or down. A trend for a bigger time frame or a smaller time frame. Bigger time frame, it's obviously on a downside. All right. So the small pullback is happening in this level right now. Okay. Obviously on the downside on a small time frame as well. We are not upper side. Okay. Maybe on 1 minute, little bit of pullback on upper side trend. You can observe it. All right. So a little bit of sideways in this level, and it tried to cross up in upper side for now. Okay. So only in a 1 minute time frame, you might like to see small uprising trend. All right. Overall, we are on the downside trend only. All right. Bigger time frame. We are on a downside time frame trend. All right. Breakout. All right. Okay. Let's try to check one shot from here. A little bit risky, but we'll try to check. Okay. For the confidence ones, you try to take it from this level, a little bit downside. Okay. For the 5 minutes, you have broken out over there. All right. 5 minutes, you have a breakout over there on a downside. All right. So if it happens to pass through, then you might like to get on downside moves. All right. So that can be expected. For confidence, you try to take it from a little bit lower side once it breaks out one level once more. Okay. So that you are not faked out. All right. Okay. So we are tracing one scalping on a downside. If you get it, all right. Right now it's not coming down. 1 minute time frame, you can see a small trend on the upper side. That's all. Okay. That also haven't broken out on upper side yet. Excuse me. All right. So this is the trend that you are having right now. So we wait for the price to come down. All right. If you try to take it from here, it's never sure. Okay. It's not sure. This is the trend you're having. So market is playing a little bit sideways and averaging, like on average it is pushing on upper side right now. Okay, maybe down from here, dragon. Yeah, I'm waiting for one more move on a downside. Okay, but I will be able to activate once from it will get confident only from the lower side. Okay, because at the same time what the Bitcoin have done is while breaking out on a downside as well as on upper side. Okay, in this level also loss of breakout has been, again there is a breakout, small breakout on the downside. Okay, on the 5 minutes if you see it, you will see it very careful clearly in this level. All right. So market tried to break out in this level. All right, so this is the level whereby the market is trying to do the retest on upper side. Okay, so retest can be a little bit upper as well. So how far it will go, we also don't know because of this candle formations right now. Okay, you have this candle formations, so because of that one, you can't imagine how long it can go. All right, sometimes maybe going back to this FPG as well. All right. Market have tried to break out on upper side from here. The one retest is left. One retest is left on a downside. Market is sideways, moving an upper side from the average. Okay, bigger time frame look down. Yeah, it is on a down on bigger time frame right now. Okay, so this is the level we are having right now. Chances it will go all the way up, creating giving no opportunity for the buyers. All right. So usually when the market is about to move, it doesn't give structures, right, guys? Okay. So on a bigger 1 hour time frame, this is what you see, right, guys? So this is a level where we have been watching it. Let me try to have one average line from here, all right, so that you guys understand. Right at the base we are. If it confirms an upper side, gives a move on upper side and confirms an upper side, is it possible for us to go at least on a long side till this level. All right, guys. $77,639 can be traced on upper side. Okay, but most probably I think tonight, midnight, or tomorrow, maybe if it happens, and you might like to see the price moving towards 77,000, guys. Okay, nothing financial advice on, guys. Make your own research before you move in, but we should make sure that we are getting structure from this level. Okay, on upper side. This can be trust. Okay, but before that one, we have lots of structural gap that is left in this level as well. All right, whereby we have left some structural gap in this left in this level. All right, let's see. Okay, so if you are planning on upper side, this should be TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4 on upper side, right? Accordingly, we need to plan. But we make sure that we are getting some structure in this level to open a long if it wants to go on upper side. So for now, I'm looking forward for the shots if it happens to come down. Okay. 5 minutes breakout towards the downside is this level. It needs to come back to this level once more. This is the level whereby the Bitcoin went for the breakout. All right. Second breakout. First breakout, small support was created, which was only the candles that we can see in this level on upper side. Okay. Whereby Bitcoin broke out on upper side, retested, and this is the move it have given on a 5 minutes time frame, which because of this move, all right. Because of this breakout, you are getting the move on upper side. All right. Let's mark over here. Patience, guys, patience. We wait it, all right? We see it, we check it, then only we will enter, all right? Otherwise, it will be risky, guys. From the top, starting from the top will be risky, okay? From this level, you might like to see one move on a downside, okay? But right now, market have not turned its way towards downside. After it's going towards downside, then only we can farm, all right? Breakout on the downside, so it needs to get rejection. So yesterday's move was similar like this, okay? It never did this retest, and so if it was on upper side, it needs to go up from here, all right? Break it out from these levels, that is blue, purple line, and move on upper side. Yesterday it never did that one, all right, this level, okay? While we are planning shots from the top, it directly happens to move continuously on upper side, downside, okay, while breaking out. So which means that one day it will come back and try to fill up that one again, all right? So 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, 4 hours, one day, 30 minutes maybe, right? So those things can happen, all right? So we need to wait for that one, guys. Hopefully up more trading actions. Bigger time frame look down, all right? More trading actions, yeah. Upper side, there are lots of traps left by the Bitcoin, which means that its Bitcoin is coming back. All right. For this level, also Bitcoin have last time also I told you all we have two levels of structures. All right, to be corrected. All right, one is on upper side, one is on downside. All right. So I was expecting firstly to correct on upper side, but firstly it came down to correct the downside, and now maybe an upper side to correct it. Okay. So let's see, Bitcoin have left lots of traces on upper side to come back, okay? But when it is like maybe few days, few months, few weeks, we never knows, all right? Over here, we cannot open anything, all right, guys? We cannot open long position as well, the short position as well as long positions, okay? So in this level, let's go and touch up this one. Patience, guys, patience. For the longs as well as for the shorts, you have to have patience, otherwise you are going to get squeezed again. So much structure gap on upper side. Yeah, that is correct, I then. Lots of structure gap the Bitcoin have left, which should be Bitcoin should be like if it was filling up, coming down, filling up, coming down, that we would have got lots of opportunity for the traders as well. But market didn't provide that one. It just keep on coming down without filling up the structures, coming down, 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 something like that. All right. Yesterday also we were waiting for that one move, right? So from this level, one move. If it was given a one move, right? It broke down on the downside from this 15 minutes time frame there, all right, guys. Okay. It broke down, so we are waiting for the price to go up and fill up that one and come down, all right. But it from here only down crashes, right? Which means that Bitcoin will one day come over here, guys. So it may not be very far, guys. It should come to $76,927. If it wants to move on a downside, all right, it needs to fill up first, then only it should move. Otherwise, if it piles up all the structure gap once at once, it can blow up all the things, okay, on upper side. So let's wait, guys, over here. Okay, don't hurry, don't run into FOMOs, right? Over here also market tried to break out on upper side. It never did the retest and came down all the way towards the small breakout was given, no retest, directly coming down. Okay. Sometimes we have to let it market let it go, all right, because like we got no structures for there to trade, all right. Market gives you no structures, okay, whereby the random trader can still earn it if they are trading it, all right, or getting bashed also sometimes, all right. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. So if it happens to come down, we are going to open short. As far as it's not coming down, then I may not like to short it for now. Let's go back to 1 minute time frame. Nice push on upper side by Bitcoin. Nice pullback. Nice pullback yet. Wait, guys, wait. Patience. Patience. If it happens to come, we take it. If it doesn't come, we don't take it. All right. If it doesn't comes, then we can't take shots. Aggressively moving on upper side, guys, in a smaller time frame. Nice pullback. So this is what the Bitcoin have been doing, guys. Okay, it have been moving without the structures on upper side and downside, both sides. Okay, this days. Okay, recently from here as well on upper side, all. Okay, from here as well, it needs to go up and fill up this one and come back. Actually, all right, it needs to go up, fill up this one and come back. Structural fulfilled, right? From here as well, it needs to go up once more, retest it and come back, right? So if it happens to move continuously on upper side, maybe this till this level, the market can move on upper side. Okay, $75,497. Let's get back to the bigger time frame once more. 4 hours time frame. Let's get back to the 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame. So market is, this is the level whereby market needs to retest it. Okay, let me mark this one with a green one. This above this level, if market gives a proper retest above this level, that is going $74,911. Okay, that can be still a bull on upper side. Why, guys? Last time market broke, this was the resistance the market had, and it broke out on upper side, and this is coming for the second retest in this level. All right, so which means, guys, okay, if it happens to pass above $74,911, still has a chance of going on upper side, huge on upper side, guys. Okay, this is what I feel. But before it moves up on upper side, I would love to see that Bitcoin in this level, 74,200 to 300 range, maybe 200 range first. Still has a possibilities of going on upper side, guys. Okay, nothing financial advice, but make your own research, okay, before you move in. All right, guys, if you happen to check on an upper side, because where the trend, the recent trend is, what I'm checking is, though the overall trend is on the downside, okay, but the recent trend, this is our recent trend in upper side on the daily time frame. Okay, upper side. Okay, it have broken an upper side on the recent trend. Okay, last time. So that can be a retest. The retest can go a little bit downside as well. Okay, let's see what it will do. Okay, $74,911. All right. If it happens to pass above that one, Bitcoin can give you all the again boom on upper side as well. All right. But most probably, I will think that will on a Sunday, maybe or Monday, I might like to expect because we get no volume for now. Okay. So a little bit of pullback, all are shorting right now. Okay, a little bit of pullback you are getting. Why? Because market need to have enough money. Everyone started shorting now because like of fear, some of because with proper knowledge, with some without proper knowledge. All right, so market needs to go up, give the hope for the longs, and again push down. Okay, so whereby the market have been doing these things, all right, without proper things. Okay, from here market didn't have enough payment to pay towards the money to pay towards the sellers. All right, well, what market does, just create a long positions for the those who are going for the long, right? Fake them out, take them out, get the liquidity, again, pay to sellers, all right? Okay, just a concept aside from our technical knowledge, guys, all right? All aside from the technical knowledge, okay? So this is what I'm watching, and one level is this level whereby the Bitcoin have broken out from this upper side, okay? So these levels, total that is of $78,794 on upper side. That is a big confident level on going on upper side. One side is one is this one, guys. Still, this is the level, the previous whereby the market have tried to create a support. All right, it might like it have broken down the support. All right, so let's see whether it closes above the this support or it breaks down below this one, closes below. All right, so accordingly we will try to take the actions. All right, for the long term frame. Okay. So this is the level whereby Bitcoin have broken out on upper side. And this is the level. Previously it was a resistance and it was right now it is in support, right? Now again, if it breaking it out, so it is like making resistance on upper side. Okay. So this, let me mark this one with a big blue line, not a blue line, red line, not a red line. It's two looks, maybe black line, right? Let me make it thicker for you all. So this level, guys, market, if it happens to pass above these levels, so with the proper structures and breakouts, all right, if it happens to pass above this level again, you might like to see that Bitcoin still has a chances of going in upper side. Okay, so if you see in this high, okay, this was the high, all right, this was the low, all right, so almost towards the average it's coming in, all right, average. Okay, right now Bitcoin is almost towards reaching towards the middle on the downside. On this movement. Okay, if it happens to pass above average line, then market is going to crash down again, guys. Okay, example this one. All right, so right now it's better that we are on the upper side, that is almost 30 to 35% on the upper side, right? The big space on the downside. All right, but if it happens from maybe from the halfway, right? So from the halfway, if it happens to cross below, all right, so from the average is also, it's like average price also getting crashed. Okay, so market is getting crashed, so then you might like to see crashing it all the way towards downside as well. All right, just as concept. All right, guys, nothing technical over there, just a concept for you all, those who wanted to, those who have possible Bitcoin reversal now. Daniel. All right. Bitcoin has still possibilities of reversal, nothing financial advice, but okay, still has a possibilities of reversal on upper side. Okay, what I have been showing you all is, guys, okay, this kind of structure have been seen on 2023 October 14th. All right, whereby Bitcoin have given a huge move from this level of on the upper side. Okay, not that's just a history, guys, don't focus over there. Maybe or may not be that is possible or not, I don't know, but we have seen that one. All right, that is on October So we are having a huge crash from the top. Bitcoin was about to get a small pullback on upper side, and Bitcoin had created one resistance on the upper side. All right, it broke out from this level, all right, on the upper side, and it got crashed to this level, and it got a very huge pump on the upper side. Not giving you hope, right, guys, but anything is possible in the market, right, guys? Okay, so this is the move that we are having right now. If you have seen this structures this level, right? Right now the move is a little bit on the upper side, right? This move are a little bit bigger, right? A similar thing have happened in this on those levels, right? We can see a similar level in this level. All right, similar thing is happening in this level. We maybe the history can be repeated, or I don't know. All right, guys. Hi, Nailamit. Okay, so most probably, Daniel, for you. Okay, so long positions, nothing financial advice, guys. So this is the resistance. All right, we have broke out, retest against the retesting, confirming the retest. Once it gets through on upper side, okay, with a small retest in a smaller time frame, okay, smaller time frame. So maybe it will like to play around, break out, come down, play around a little bit sideways in this level. All right, one day maybe, or a few hours. All right, if it happens to see the structural moving above this black line, that has a chances of getting you all the reversal on the upper side as well. All right, we never knows. Are you looking buy or sell, Nailamit? Okay, I'm just watching. All right, but once it gets confirmed over here, I will be like going for a buy on a long positions above this level. All right, but below this levels, the black line, I will be watching for the small scalping on a downside only. All right, that is $74,936. All right, below this one, I will be checking on the small scalping on a downside. Okay. If you happen to check on a 1 hours, okay, so 1 hour, so this is the level. If it happens to break out on upper side and confirm happens to remain above, that has a good chances of Bitcoin again getting reversal as well. All right, we never knows. Okay, anything can happen, guys. All right, so for now, if it happens to comes below this level, I would like to take small scalping on a downside. All right, from this level. So I'm waiting for that one. All right, before it breaks out on upper side. Okay, guys. Let's get back to the. This is 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes. Low is broken out a little bit. All right, let me let me check one level, one short position below this one. So my target will be around $74,048 maximum. All right, and okay, I'm checking on the short positions right now. All right. तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन. If it never happens to come, then it's okay. All right. But if it comes, I need to take it one. All right. If it happens to come below this level, a little bit lower side, first TP will be over here. Second TP is in this level. All right. Okay, firstly, filling up this one. After that, I might like to look for the long positions as well. All right, from this level above 74 or 73 to 74,000 ranges. Why this one? Because like previously, market had a previous low without taking this liquidation swap. Market tries to break it towards the downside. All right. Once it confirms from the top, all right, it is going to give you all a short move towards the downside, right? For that one, I'm tracing from the little bit upper side, okay? So this level, little bit on upper side, okay? I'm taking from the upper side, and this level is going to be a little bit confident for you all if you haven't checked on 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame, okay? Which level, guys? This level is a little bit confident. All right, why? Because 5 minutes time frame happens to break down from this below. All right, this structure was broken down previously. Okay, this structure is also broken down. All right, two things is broken down already. Let's see. Let's wait. My TP 75,000 and move to 74,900. Missed that move. My TP was all right. My TP was $75,000 and it moved to 74,900. Oh, entry my TP. Oh, you mean like on upper side? Okay, you took it from this breakout with that retest. Which level you took it? Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Have patience. Okay. So Bitcoin for a long range, anything, Bitcoin can do anything, guys. Tomorrow also it can give you a very big pump as well. All right. Anything can happen in Bitcoin. Just don't underestimate the Bitcoin. All right. For the scalping, if it gives us the proper structures, we need to take it one. All right. So for the opportunity hunters like scalpers, day traders, like whether the market moves on upper side or downside, it doesn't matter, right? So they just need our opportunity in the market, right, guys? Okay. I missed the big 1 minute with 7 candle after. Oh, I love it. Don't worry. It's okay. Opportunity is always going to be there. Nothing much to worry. All right. Opportunity is always going to be there. Okay. Nothing much to worry in the market. You're always going to get the opportunities. Not today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, lots of opportunity. Every day is opportunity. Crypto market. See whether it maybe one thing can go up to retest this level, break out, keep breaking out this level. All right, that is also possible. After breakout on third retest, it can drops down. Later on, it will be easier for us to move on upper side. That's also possible. Okay, so for your positions, these positions, until and unless market doesn't comes in this level, you are not going to operate your shots. All right, so once it gets at this level, we are going to operate the shots. All right, otherwise let it move on upper side, go anywhere, right, play around. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So you have a setup, you need to wait for that one. Okay. So breakout, higher highs, higher highs. Level. Let's wait, guys. Okay, let's wait. Have patience, right, guys? You need to have patience, guys. Lots of patience required in the market. Then, unless you are not getting Market slowing down right now. Okay, I think it will retest the big sell candle, then move any direction because gap is there. Yeah, that's possible as well. So guys, what I've been telling you all, 74,916 is the level whereby the Bitcoin have went for the bullish previously. All right, okay, it broke out from this level and tried to move on the upper side. Okay, so for now it might like to give you all small hit if it happens to move on upper side. All right. So maybe small breakout it will be given, and it might like to trace, trying to create a new highs. All right, that's also possible. Okay, if it happens to move up, so then this new highs will not work. Okay, this new highs will not work. So that will be new highs over here. This is now new highs. Okay. Once it gets down, we are going to take it. Side, we are not taking it right now. 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. Let's try to trace 1 minute time frame as well, guys. Okay. So try to break down below these levels. Created one support over here. Market tries to break out towards there. Okay, and market is creating one levels over here whereby market needs to go up, come down this level. Let's wait, guys. Okay. We'll try to trace our shots upper and upper, but riskier, guys, always. Okay, because short was below this level actually. All right, we try to create one level over here whereby we can get one shots. All right, another level, third level again broke out on 5 minutes from this level. If you see in the 5 minutes, this is the level. All right, again in 1 minute time frame, if you happen to see the levels. All right, so this is the level that we have right now. Short level. All right, it broke down towards downside, waiting for the retest. Once it comes down below these levels, it can be a short still. All right, doing some price actions in this level. Sunata, sunata, sun. Wait, guys, wait. तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन Orangi, orangi nachi. Patience, guys. Patience, patience. Slowly let it come down to our soul. The structure is not, it had to come down from here. It is moving in upper side. Okay, so not balanced structure is being produced by the Bitcoin right now. So with the one breakout, one retest only happens to push up so high. One breakout pushed very high. No moves. I think it will high bushwalk high. Welcome, welcome, brother. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, alright guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Okay. Right now, what we are doing is we are waiting for one position towards the downside. Okay. Once it gets towards the downside, then only it will be confident for us to take for the shots. Alright. Otherwise, from above this level, still has a chance of going on the upper side. Okay. Once it crashes down, then only we'll take it. Create new high, take it out. Hi, brothers, welcome, brothers, welcome. Wait, guys, wait, have patience. Created a new high. Lovely, superb. Just a second. Guys, buy a trap. going from here. Aldin, Manoj, Joha. Hi, hi, guys. Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay. So buyers have not trapped yet. Okay. So it might like to give few moves as well on upper side, but it should be once it gets on a downside, then only we are going to get activated. Otherwise, again, the short also has a possibilities to get trapped, right, guys? Okay. So this above this level is the level whereby short also can get trapped. All right, guys. Okay, short also can get trapped. All right. So from here also people happens to plan for the shots, but a little bit risky, okay, because you can get trapped from the top. All right. So most probably what I'm saying is below this level will be a confident one. All right. But if you are planning it, then it should be like if you are taking risks, I think it is also fine. All right, guys, from this level as well, it's fine. But you make sure that your stop loss is above this level. All right, so it has a chances of getting trapped for the sellers as well in this level. All right, guys, because why? Because like you are above the resistance zone. The Bitcoin have broken out on upper side. Okay, here you have a higher probability of getting trapped as well. All right, guys. Okay, high risks in this level. Okay. Once it gets on a downside, it will be confident. All right, guys. Once you get below these levels, it will be much confident. All right, guys. Rather than going from here, it will be high risk over here. Why? Because you has a chances of still has a chances of rather than getting buyers getting trapped. What about getting sellers getting trapped? Right. So these two things can happen in both ways. All right. So either buyers or the sellers can get trapped. All right. Okay, guys. Risky one. All right. Once it gets over here, it will be a little bit confident. All right, guys. Okay. For those who are taking a risky one, passing above this level, you shouldn't hold much, I guess, most probably. All right, because you have, if it happens to again, try for one more time on upper side, okay, then you might like to reach above $74,915. Once it gets an above this level, this is the whereby the Bitcoin have gone for the bull cycles. All right. Well, I mean like bull move on upper side, which is a little bit risky on upper side. Okay, above this level. So you need to have stop losses in the zone only. All right. Okay, guys. Nice one. Your stop loss should be my stop loss will be around 74,880. 4,892. All right. Okay, small stop loss. My TPs towards the TPs will be towards the and 4,284. Market broke out above this level. Okay, broke out above this level on upper side. This is free testing for the longs as well. All right, so it will play around. So it should get trapped the buyers. Okay, in this level, then this position will be uh, correct. All right, guys, we should trap the buyers. If the sellers are trapped, then this is why I call too early entry over here. All right. So over here it broke out on upper side. Once it if it happens to break above this level, then that is going to be a risky one. All right. Again. Let me keep a screenshot of this one. Let's see, guys. Okay, we'll try to trace this level. All right, towards the downside. Once it gets a little bit downside, it will be right now. It is getting confident only. All right. One more buyer's trap, seller's trap, buyer's trap, both trap Bitcoin weekends. It's something like that only, guys. Buyers getting trapped or sellers getting trapped. Patience, guys. Patience, patience. Let's hold. Let's hold. Moves, moves, baby, moves. Manoj Chauha. Manoj Chauha. Let's wait and see. Buyers or sellers trap. Buyers or sellers trap. One side will be trapped. One side will be given in positions. All right. So most probably we are looking forward for the downside only. Buyers getting trapped. All right. Not moving right now. It's not moving much, right, guys? Slow baby steps taking in right now. Baby steps, baby steps, baby steps taking in. Once it gets below this one, it's going to be a little bit quicker, I guess. Lovely. Up. As soon as it breaks below this one, we try to bring our stop loss in the zone. All right, we stay safe. Okay. So next time we will get again. All right. If it fails again, we'll try to enter once. If it happens to give this range an upper side, we'll hold it with booking some profit with our stop loss at entry. If it happens to move up again, we'll take out the shots to do the retest once more. And we'll try to enter once more in this level. All right. So we book some profit, move our SL to entry, and just let it go. It should break below this one. Come on. Lovely. Soup up. Okay. broke down. Move my SL to entry, guys. Okay. First thing is, guys, whenever you are trading, guys, okay, for the scalpings, okay, whenever you start your positions, what I do is usually after executing the trade, after getting the trade, first thing is to minimize your risks. You always minimize your risks. Move your SL to entry, book some profits, move your SL to entry, and let it flow. If it flows, it will give all. If it doesn't flows, you lose nothing. All right. This is what I do. All right, guys, usually. So my entry was 24,752.3 dollars. La, 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 la. Patience, guys, patience. Got a rejection from 5 minutes breakout. We had a 5 minutes breakout in this level. Just got rejection from that right now. So far, so good, guys. All right, this chart is working good right now. So far, so good. No tension. Move your SL to entry and let it flow, guys. All right, always minimize your risks. Rest, let it flow. Hello, hi, Simply World. How are you? Welcome, Simply World. Simply World. All right. Welcome, welcome. We are having just scalping on a downside right now. Okay. Welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, this channel, all right, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session. Saturday and Sunday, usually Saturday and Sunday, it's like on a usual days, normal days, right? It moves in sideways, okay, most of the time. But when we get good moves, we try to spend almost 3 to 4 hours in the live stream, right? So that I can spend some time with you all right? तेरे मेरे बात में आ जा। Book some profit, move your SL to entry, and let it flow, guys. Okay, always risk free. Always be risk free. Okay, so that you guys keep making some dollars, even if it's few. You keep making some dollars in the market. All right. कोई मिल गया कोई मिल गया Muted? I'm not muted. Can hear me right now? All right. What I'm saying is keep moving your SL to entry, okay? Whenever you are in the scalping sessions, okay? If it gives, if it can give you a big target, if it doesn't gives, then your stop loss at entry will be filled and you lose nothing, all right? So always first duty is to control your risks, all right? Reduce your risks, and after that one, you can, so whatever the market gives, and you can provide, you can take it, right? Maya, Maya, Maya. So plans are like yesterday only, all right? So later on, if the market goes up, and especially if it moves above this level, I guess I'll mark this one as huge one. If it moves above this level, all right, so we are going to enter along and try to go on upper side, all right? As long as we are below this level, we'll be keep tracing on a downside, all right? So if it happens to go up again once more, all right, so we will try to open once it gets back to this level once more, all right, your shots, okay? Once it gets back, if it happens to, in case, second plan, all right, if it happens to go up and take out your stop loss at entry, all right, once it comes down, we are going to enter that shots again, all right, and come all the way towards downside. In case, all right, second plan. Book some profit, move your SL to entry, guys. Okay. Don't be too much greedy as well. All right. So take whatever market provides you. Because sometimes what the market does is it goes back and retests this level. It is retest this level once more. All right. At that time, your SL might like to go. So for that reason. But if it's going down, well and good, no problem. Market keeps the structure. That means this is for sure. Okay. Market moves the without structure like yesterday, it goes all the way down. Boom. Okay. If market provides structure, it will go up once more to retest it. Okay, this level. So we make sure that while it's going up, we hold below this one. If it breaks above this level, then that can, above this level, it will be converted to a long, towards long again. All right. So we make sure that when we get for the retest on this level, all right, if it happens to go up for the retest on this level, all right, we should get rejection from this level and try to come down. All right. If it happens to move on upper side, it will be invalid. All right, the shots will be invalid. It will be long plans. All right. Yes, going up. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Simply World, can you hear me? You can hear me now. All right. Let me check over here. If people are not speaking. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, it's on. It is on. All right. Oh my God. Patience hold. No sound. What happened? Can you hear me now, guys? Can you hear me? Yes, can anyone give thumbs up like this? If you can hear me. All right. Can you hear me or not, guys? What I mean is, guys, no sound. No sound yet. No. Let me remove this one and try to speak. Yeah, can you hear me now? Little bit different, maybe it may sound because my mic was not working, maybe. Can you hear me? Boo, something like that. Okay, what I mean is, guys, okay, over here, if it happens to move up and we need to get rejection from here again, all right, once more, we need to get rejection and come down to the downside, okay? So if it happens to pass above this blue line, wherever it reaches this blue line, or this my red dashed line, right, on upper side, guys, okay? Why is it not possible here? Yes, it can hear, okay. So what this is what I mean to say, move your SL to entry when you are opening from here, all right, your entry will be here, right? So if it happens to fails it, so if it happens to get rejection from top, again once more when it comes down from the top, we are going to open a short position from here and come all the way towards downside. Okay, egg, all right. Okay, this is the plan. Okay, and in case, guys, in case if the market happens to, all right, if the market happens to move above this level, then that will be a little bit for the short term on the bullish side. Okay, you remember that. All right, so if it happens to push up, it should get a rejection from this level and come down again once more. Then we are going for a short on a boom on a downside. All right, okay. But in case if it happens to fall from here only, no problem. All right, sometimes it gives the structures, sometimes it can move without structures. All right, so we should be having a plans. All right, so plans is for here the short, you keep your entry. All right, your SL at entry. Okay, so in case if it happens to push up, all right, and comes down again, we are going to again operate one short position from here, all right, and go down towards downside. But in case if it happens to never come back, then that will be a losses, right? So this is what I mean. Okay, guys, for the short, the setup is for the shorts right now. Setup is perfect for the shorts, but we never knows what the market will do during the Saturday sessions, right? Okay, but if in case when the New York sessions opens, in case if the market happens to give you all the pump rather than a dump, then it might be a big bump on upper side as well. Okay, so we never knows, right? Right now the volume is not much over there, so it's moving slowly, right? Hi, hi, hello, 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 guys. Okay, so understand the market as well. All right, understand the market, take the setups. Understand the market, take the setups. Okay. Hi, magnificent, magnificent. Welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome. My mic sound may sound very different, but it's okay, all right, because it's not working. Sometimes it gives technical error. I don't know. Okay. Hi, hi. Ravnoor, Ravnoor. Understand the setups, okay, guys. Hi, welcome, brother, welcome. Okay, welcome everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. All right, guys, this is Saturday sessions. We have been taking one scalpings on a downside. Okay, for now, okay, understand the setups, then you plan accordingly. Nothing financial advice, but for the education purpose only. All right, guys. Okay, I'm not changing your decisions, all right, over here. Some may be going for the long, some because of me. You may be like to get losses maybe sometimes, right? So don't decide because of me, all right? Okay, so make your own research, all right? This is what I mean. So guys, listen to those who have not got the plans, all right? So we have operated one shot over here, our SL at entry right now. So later on, if it market happens to go for the retest, it might like to go till this levels at $4,829. All right. So while going for that one, you might like to get bashed off with your SL, but no problem. That time, what we can do is like while it is returning, getting rejection from the top, while returning it, we'll wait for this position, this level, and come down from this level towards the downside. Okay, guys. So this is our plan. So you might like to retest, okay? So this was the breakout towards the upper side, okay? And this is the retest happening, all right? So if it happens to get through upper side from the retest, okay, then it will be risky, right? So for the confidence, if it happens to move on upper side, we just wait for the price to come to this level, then we go to that side again once more. Okay, that time, second time, if it happens to go for the retest, our target is going to be bigger than this one. All right, you target a little bit lower side to $74,285. All right, on the downside. Okay, this is this is our plan. All right, guys. Okay, so have the plans, plan it. Okay, after that, you execute your trades. All right. So it will be easier for you all to you don't get panicked, right? When the market moves on the upper side, it's going to hit your SL and all of those things. Panic, patience, you will learn this patience things in the market. All right. So setup is for the shots, but the retest is left. All right. This is what I mean. All right, guys. Okay. So later on, if the price never happens to come below this blue line, okay, while going on upper side, then for that reason, that's why I mean like keep your SL at entry, okay? So again, you will get opportunity that time. Again, you can take it once it comes down towards the downside, okay? Otherwise, while going up, if the market happens to go up and break above this level and settles above this level, then it might like to turn it towards the bullish for the short term. All right. For that reason, we need to we need to prepare accordingly. All right, guys. Prepare first. Okay. After that, you execute. All right. If it goes down directly, no problem. But in fact, if it happens to move on upper side, all right. So far so clear, guys. Okay. Hope that is understandable for you all. Okay. Thank you, King Bo. King Bo, wow, you're so good. All right. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So New York session is about to start. All right, guys. Okay. And in your New York sessions, the price might like to give an upper side or a downside. Okay. We have to see it. Okay, guys. All right. If it gives a bump on upper side, that's going to be long. All right. If it gives a downside, then that's going to be again down. Like we never knows actually, all right, in the New York session which side he just wants to bump or dump, all right. It's hard to, the setup is okay, but it's hard to identify the factor outside, all right. The New York sessions gives you all the bump or dump, all right, just things. Patience, guys, patience, patience. We require patience, right? We require huge patience, guys, in the market, all right? Finding the setup, we require patience, okay? After getting in the setup, we need patience. Patience required everywhere, guys. Don't invest your patience on the holding a loss trade, all right? That's the thing. Don't hold for very long. If it's going above your limit of the losses, try to close it immediately. That will be helpful, all right? Because it takes lots of time to get back to your break even whenever you run into losses, all right? You feel so bored, you feel frustrated, you feel irritated, right, guys? Because of that one, what I'd say is don't hold the loss trade, right? If it is a profit trade, it's okay. Keep, where is it? My things. But the loss trade, once you start going on a loss, okay, once you remove your SL, all right, then it will be so difficult to come back to your SL as well. All right, guys, this is the fact. Second plan, first plan, all right. Upper side, not planning yet. Patience, guys, patience, patience, patience. Right here, look up. Maybe you are having some reasons to buy, right? It's okay. If your setup is saying to buy it. If your setup is saying to sell, you sell it, all right? So nothing financial advice, all right, guys? So make your own research, right, guys? It's for education purpose only, all right? Excuse me. Dollars. Yeah, patience, patience, patience. Victory Bassi. Victor Bassi. Hi, hi, brother. Welcome. Where are you from, Victor? I have questions, sir. All right. Can ask me. Can ask me. I'll answer whatever I know. If I don't know, I'll lie you. Okay, just kidding. You can ask me. I'm ready to share whatever I know. All right. Yeah, Victor, you can. You can ask me. Nigeria. All right, Victor. Question, please. You can ask me. Open. It's open. Open for the questions. Hi, hi, Ritesh. I have $10 in my accounts. Okay. But I can't deposit $10 in my Accents. I don't know why. Accents account. What it does it shows? That's the question. What does it shows? Hi, Ritesh. Welcome, brother. Welcome. One shot. Run of funding. Okay. It's up to you, guys. What you want to plan. All right. And it's in standard account. Why? Maybe minimum requirements is there. but I don't use accents for your information. It shows minimum deposit. Oh, maybe yeah, that's what I mean. Maybe minimum deposit is there for you all. So you have to deposit $50. Yeah. You can deposit $10 in my sense account, no problem. Yeah, there are users. Luca is there. Which other broker have 10 minimum deposit? Yeah, lots of exchanges. I use Binance, Bybit. If you request the link, there is a link in the description box. All right. There are BitGet, Maxi, lots of things. Yeah, Victory Bassey, Victor Bassey. Your name should be Victory Bassey, right? Victory Bassey. Okay. Text, hit, try, hit away, hit away. Inverted head and shoulder pattern. Inverted head and yeah, I can see that one. If it forms inverted head and shoulder pattern, then you then you'll get an upper side. Okay. We have been holding for the shorts right now on a downside. Okay, stop loss at entry. Okay, if it happens to go for the retest, we do nothing. All right, once it comes back to our zone again, we come back for the setups. All right. Okay, and longs, I'm going to above this level only. I will start thinking about the longs above this my dash lines. All right, but most probably I won't do anything for the longs right now. All right, let's see what the New York sessions openings does. Right, so it's about to go for that one. Okay. Victor, are you Nigerian? No, no, I'm from Bhutan, brother. Texas. Victor. Oh, Victor is Nigerian. Yeah, Victor, you are asking about Victor, right? Victor is. He says that he's from Nigeria. Waka Waka A is accents broker. I will input answer. All broker. I don't know. I don't use accents at all. I have never used. I use Bybit, Binance. Uh, Rest of the wallets. All right. Uh, Trust wallets. Phantom. All right. Bitget, Maxi. Those are available. So this is what I mean, guys. In this channel, though it's very small channel for you all, we have people from different parts of the world in this channel. All right, small, but it's like we are huge community of impactful community of different parts from different parts of the world, whereby we come together and try to understand the market together. Some says buy, some says sell, right? And we do one analysis. I try to do one analysis for you all. So accordingly, you can plan, you can discuss, right? Make friends, build your PRs, right? We have people from Nigeria, we have people from India, we have people from New York, we have people from where USA, Australia, England, right? Switzerland, Sri Lanka, right? Japan, Russia, lots of people, all right, from different part of the world joining together in this channel. All right, guys. Okay. Are you Chinese? You don't trade forex? No, I don't do forex. I don't do NT. I don't do. Are you Chinese? Egg? No, I'm not Chinese. I'm below the China, so I'm uh, below the China, between the India and China. You're right. That's Bhutan. Egg. Oh, hi. So Ritesh, India, yeah, Nigeria, or India, Sri Lanka. India also different parts, right? Bhutan. Just curious how much money you make like monthly from trading, sir. Sometimes it is very minimum, sometimes it goes maximum. I don't want to tell you by the number digits, but in range of average of 15 to 30% in a month, all right, of the account. That's all. Okay, I don't want to make you curious over here with the money. All right. So sometimes it becomes less as well, but average I'm saying, all right. Sometimes the trader's life is like this, guys, all right. It's not that continuously we make money in the trading field. Sometimes when the market is not good, you tend to make losses as well, all right. Just the thing is, you should know that when you are making losses, try to minimize your losses. When you make profits, try to make a good profits, all right. What I mean is try to work on your RR ratio, right, guys? Okay, RR ratio is good, then you are going good. All right. If your RR ratio is not good, then not good. Out of 100 trades, if you are taking 50 SLs and 50 TPs, after that also you should be. If your RR ratio is good, then you will be already in a profit. Okay, so this is the simple maths. You need to do it. All right. That's my number. Texas. Victory Bassey. Alright. I'm from Ghana. Yeah, we have people from Ghana. Yeah. China. Even we have people from China, Australia, lots of people around the world. Okay. Let's grow together, right? So trading alone is sometimes becomes very hectic. All right. So when you trade with the other peoples, when you're walking, if you're walking far distance, right? So if you're walking with people, with the friends, it will be easy for you all right. If you walk alone far distance, at the halfway you feel bored, stressful, right? You'll sweat a lot, right? And you might like to give up from there as well, all right. We never knows. So far so good, guys. Okay, pushing up right now. If it happens to get a rejection from this level, we can again operate one shot from here, all right. But if it never gets a rejection from here, then your shots will be invalid. If the price happens to pass above this red dashed line, it will be invalid, your shots. All right, guys. New York session, guys, let me add trading sessions, all right, so that we can get informations on sessions as well. All right. It's not yet started. Okay. All right. Big pump. Big pump. We are crossing above, guys. All right. If it closes above, then shorts are invalid, guys. Your SL at entry is done. Small profit is done. That is 0.19% on the scalping for the scalpers. Okay. Okay, guys. So this short is invalid now. All right. For now, this short is invalid now. Invalid short. That is a big pump on upper side. Okay. New York have not started yet. All right. Big pump on upper side. This level. Above this level is for bulls. Uh-oh. Small TP's done. All right. So this is the level whereby the Bitcoin have, okay, turned out to throw the price from 74,000 range towards the last ATH. All right, guys. Okay. So if you have been listening me from the starting, all right. So this was the level for the 1 hour time frame. If you check on the 1 day time frame, all right. uh, 1 day time frame. Let me show you all 1 day time frame. All right. On a 1 day time frame, this is the level last time when we got a breakout on upper side and thrown the price upper side with the level of 10.4% on upper side. Okay, so we are going to, Bitcoin is again reacting at that level. All right, and this level once more. Okay, if it happens to pass about $74,911 at past it, if it happens to hold and pop, that has a good bullish sign moving the price on the upper side as well. All right, but most probably I think that is going to happen only tomorrow, but we never know. All right, guys. Okay. So this is the level whereby if it happens to hold above this level, guys, okay, if the price happens to hold above this level, it is going to be a good bullish on upper side. It still has a chance of moving on upper side. Okay, guys, so above this level. 5 minutes. All right, nice, guys. Nice, super. So it is, if it holds above this level, guys. All right, the shorts now, it is invalid for now. All right. Short got squeezed. Okay, so that's how what I mean to say that you need to keep your stop loss at entry. All right, if it happens, never happens to come back from the zone towards this level, then it's going to squeeze it. All right. Let's get back to the 1 minute time frame. All right, it is superb on upper side. That can be a good move on upper side, guys. This is the retest. Okay, retest passing on upper side. Okay, so if it happens to give you all the retest in this level, well and good, but this is the level whereby Bitcoin have pumped after breaking out 10% upper side. Okay, hi, good evening. Wow, good Victor Bassey, good. Good. All right, so this is the level whereby Bitcoin can, but I'm not buying right now, guys. Okay, even if it misses, no problem, but not, I'm not buying right now. Okay, so I'll let it play around a little bit. That is a good bullish move on upper side yet. Let it come down. That's for the long term. All right, guys, if you are holding above this level, if the Bitcoin happens to hold above this level for a long term as well, it can go for the bullish move. All right, guys. Okay, so remember that one. Small retest been done. Small retest. Okay. All right, doing a small retest. The scalpers can take in, I guess, with a small move on upper side. Right. This is the level whereby it needs to send $5,100 on upper side. Okay. Um, this is going to be final TP on upper side. Small retest done. So this can be a long position for you all. Okay, TP1 over here and TP2 over here. All right. So let's see when the New York session opens. It should give you all the pump on upper side. Hope that is not a fake buyers. Huh? Look out for the buyers. It is a fake out. Wait for this position on downside. All right. So far so good on upper side. Okay, let's go. Let me mark this one. So this level is so important, guys, for us. Okay. If it is a confirmation of the retest, then Bitcoin is going to give you all huge profits on the upper side. All right. But if it happens to fake out the buyers, we might like to get dumped again. All right. Just be careful. Nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right. So that you guys are not bashed off. All right. With FTA approval, this will go up for $5 or $6. This will go up $5 or $6. What wants free speech? Go up $5 or $6 only. Only $5 or $6. Let's see, guys. This is a fake out moves, or is it up? If it is a confirmation for the retest, we are going to get crazy on upper side. But if it is fake out moves, still you have a big dump going down. All right. From here, all right. That I'll be targeting towards this on $4,000. Retest can come up to this level. It needs to pass up. Let's wait for New York sessions, okay, guys? What it does. If it gives pump, well and good. If it gives dump, need to slip. All right, close the trade and slip. One, two breakouts only. Nothing financial advice, okay, guys? Make your own research before you move in, all right? So that later on you don't blame me again. You got squeezed, all those things, okay? So with that, one thing I have opened this long position. Only the thing that I have considered is we are on the retest phase. This is the retest phase. If it confirms, then it can give you a bull move on upper side. Okay. With that reason only, I'm trying to execute this scalping on upper side. All right. Excuse me. Mhm. Bearish. I'm waiting for the New York sessions to give the moves. All right. It gives move on upper side and downside. It's about to start. It's about to start. We need to hold above this black line. So small retest can be done, and we need to hold above this black line to go for a big bullish on upper side. Not fake out. Just fake out, then gone. Guys, if it's fake out, then to hold above. Let it. Lovely, superb, superb for now. Superb, 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 guys, superb, superb, lovely. I keep my stop loss charts right. Let me minimize the risks. All right, take the straight on upper side. Let me minimize the risks. That is going to be my SL around minimize risks 74,884. 78,000, 74,884. All right. Okay. Scalping only, guys. All right. So, oh, hi, Lakshmi Biju, Lakshmi Biju. So, if you are late, I don't recommend you all to buy, but it's up to you, lah, guys. All right. So we are targeting this one and this levels. All right. If it happens to give us, all right. So we're waiting for the New York sessions to start. All right. Nothing financial advice, lah, guys. All right. Make your own research. Why I'm buying is without any things over here. All right. This is the level. This black level is the one line that whereby Bitcoin got a breakout on upper side long time back. All right. Okay. On a daily time frame, this was the level. If the Bitcoin happens to hold above this level, this can be a very good move on upper side. All right. But in fact, if the Bitcoin happens to cannot hold above this black level, again, it's going to be for the inside the retest zone. All right. So it might like to go this level or this levels. All right. We never knows. All right. Okay. So for now, we need to hold above this black levels on upper side. Okay. For the proper buy for the long range on upper side. Okay. So whatever we are doing right now is just scalping small move, take the profits, just get out of the trades, right? That's all. Okay. For the long trades, okay, long holding trades, I'll observe whether the market is holding above this level or not. After that one only, then I will try to execute my long. Okay. Otherwise, I will hold for the again one more retest on the downside. Okay, small retest to be done in this level. All right. So coming below and trying to retest from downside. Okay, coming below, trying to retest from the downside and going up. All right. So that can be. So that time I'm going to operate one long position from here. All right, guys. Okay. For the long holding. All right. For now, just for the scalping, I'm taking an upper side on a so a small move is given, that is of 0.16% on upper side. Downside, it took my stop loss at entry, but gave us 0.2% on the downside. All right. Okay. So let's see what happens in this level. Small rigs, big target. Once it crosses this one, I'm going to shift my SL at entry. All right. For the scalping. Nice. Okay. My SL, I will try to move to the entry right now. Oh, I got a stomach pain. Okay, SL at entry. Hold for this position. If it gives, always first thing is to minimize your risks, guys. All right, always minimize your risks. After that, if it gives, that's well and good. Otherwise, on the scalping, just take your SL at entry and let it go. Got a back, stomach pain there. So let entry and let it flow. Probably, let's see, Basay, Basay. New York haven't started yet. Is something news happening around? Iran. reportedly offered to reopen the Strait of Hormuz in exchange for US paying compensation. Hey, Iran reportedly offered to reopen Straits of Hormuz in exchange for US paying compensations. Yesterday had a this morning had a one news. Today had a one news, two news. Assimilated. Price is confusing. Got a bad stomach pain, bros. Sitting around. So in this level, $75,500. I think for this scalping. Going to close this scalping once it gets below this average, this point, if it happens to. Only a simple buy, I want to take up, 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 upper side for the scalping. La 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 la. 76,927. Let's wait for New York. No, 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 no. So how much bump given till now? 0.17. This was finished. Lovely. I'll close once below it, below this one, guys. Okay, if it keeps the pipes on the upper side, well and good, because New York sessions, we never knows which. New York session started, guys. Okay, New York session started. New York session started. All right. Big red candles on the downside. Just be careful, guys, if you are taking longs. I'm going to exit it once it crosses. This is a signal below this levels to exit me. All right. If it gives a pump on the upper side, well and good, I'll take that one. All right. Because this is on scalping. All right. This is on scalping. Just be careful. Okay, guys, I'm exiting this one. All right. Trade closed. All right. Okay, guys. So for scalping, we have taken two scalpings. All right, one on upper side and one on a downside. Downside gave us 0.2 percentage. One's upper side 0.17 percentage. All right. So once it gets completed with New York session, when the price settles, then only I try to do the technical things. All right. Right now, even if it wants to fly it, let it fly it. All right. So after it gets over, then only I will try to do the analysis and try to execute. All right. So if you are holding, this should be a TP1 and this should be a TP2, I guess, most probably. Right, guys? Okay, with the stop losses in the zone. Okay. For the scalpings, I'm closing this one. All right. So if it happens to come below this one, I might like to think about the shots, but right now, no shots for me. Above this black levels, I won't think about the shots right now. All right. So most probably getting below this levels, $74,906, then only I will start thinking about the shots. All right, guys. Okay. And next thing, okay, so I have all given you all the informations about the level of this level is very important, guys. All right, this is the level whereby Bitcoin have thrown price on upper side with the 10 point almost 11% on upper side from this level. Last time it broke out, did a small retest and thrown the price. Once it gives me the proper retest in this level, I'm going to go for a long holding trades. All right, in this level. Okay, guys. So come down and give me a proper retest on the upper side. I'm going to hold for a little bit long on the upper side. Okay, for the scalping only this much for me right now. Okay, guys, so that's all for today, guys. Okay, so two setups taken for small scalpings, but meanwhile, so we have been discussing about how we are going to operate from coming days, right, guys? All right, so that we can operate accordingly on a coming days, right, guys? Okay, so this is just a scalping. After the retest is done, I'm going to, after proper retest is done, I'm going to open a long position. Let's go above this level. All right, not from the down, above this level only. I'll think about the long, wait for a long upper side. Okay, so this is my plan for now. Okay, most probably. That's all for today, guys. All right, so if it happens to come below these levels, again, I can operate one scalping on the downside. Small move will be, I'll be taking a small move, and maybe wherever it gives me, how much it gives me, I'll just take it. All right, 1%, 5%, 2%, 0.5%, 0.1%, whatever on the scalpings. All right, guys. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Have a good time. Signing off. Dragon. See you all tomorrow at the same time. Okay.